In this video, I will show you how to identify variables in your research topic and then create a conceptual framework using AI website. So let's get started. Open your internet browser. On the search bar, type Google AI Studio. Open this link, Google AI Studio. This is the website. This free website by Google helps you brainstorm ideas and find the right direction for your research topic. Start by providing the tool with the information you already know about your topic and the stage where you are currently stuck. For example, I will give my research topic like I will say I want to see effect of role conflict on cyber slacking. List the variables which can help me to answer my research question and align with my research proposal. You can ask the tool to list variables that help answer your research question and align with your proposal. Once you are done, click on Run. Google AI Studio will then process your query step by step, identifying, organizing, and structuring the variables while expanding their definitions and finalizing the framework. The tool will categorize the variables into independent, dependent, and mediating types. It's important to first understand what each type of variables means. These are the abbreviations and concepts commonly used when discussing variables in research. Once that's clear, you can move on to selecting your variables. For example, role conflict is your independent variable and factors like role ambiguity, role overload, inter-role conflict. Next, your dependent variable. In this case, cyber slacking can include subcategories such as non-work related internet use frequency, duration of non-work related internet use, types of cyber slacking activities. Your mediating variables representing the job stress burnout help explain the relationship between the independent and dependent variables. Additionally, moderating or control variables such as individual references, organizational factors determine who, when, and how the relationship occurs. After selecting the variables, you can use the tool to structure your conceptual framework. Ask it to draw the conceptual framework based on the above studies. For your research or PhD proposal, Google AI Studio will provide detailed guidance on how to structure, organize, and visualize your framework effectively. You can even copy your framework details and use ChatGPT free version to generate the conceptual framework image. Simply provide the instructions and describe the boxes, arrows, and variable relationship. ChatGPT will create a concise professional conceptual framework within minutes based on the structure you developed using Google AI Studio. For example, I'm gonna copy the text from here. Open ChatGPT free website. Write prompt. Draw conceptual framework for. Paste text here. Press enter. Wait while it's generating conceptual framework. The final output will be a well-structured, polished, and professional conceptual framework perfect for researchers who find it difficult to design one for their studies. So, if you are new to the social sciences and struggle with developing a conceptual framework, these AI tools can assist you in generating ideas, refining concepts, and visualizing your research model effectively. You can also download the completed framework image in high quality and easily add it to your research paper. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this.